Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to crochet this acorn coaster. So to make this I have used double crochet stitches and made total 10 round to get this size. This is 13 inch in length and 12 inch in width. You can use this coaster in number of your crochet project. So before we start to make this acorn coaster, I would request you, if you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe to my channel so you get to know my more creation and ideas with crochet. So let's see how we are going to crochet this coaster. So to make this I'm going to use this coffee and light brown color from this brand. This is cotton thread, and for this thread I'm going to use crochet hook of size 2.0 mm. You will need needle, scissor and a stitch marker. So first we are going to make the body with light brown color. So make a slip knot on your hook. Then make chain 24. So after chain 24, now make chain 1. This is our turning chain. Then in next 24 chain stitches we are going to make 1 double crochet. So take your hook to the first chain stitch. Here make 1 double crochet. Then in next 1 double crochet. Then in next 1. So like this, make 1 double crochet and work till your last chain stitch. So round 1 is done and we have 24 double crochet stitches. Now in round number 2, turn your work, skip first double crochet stitch and top of next double crochet, make 1 slip stitch, then chain 2. After chain 2, now work in next 20 stitches and top of that make 1 double crochet. So after 20 double crochet stitches, now skip last 2 double crochet stitch. Now turn your work. In row number 3, skip first double crochet, top of next double crochet, make 1 slip stitch, then make chain 2. Now work in next 16 stitches and top of that make 1 double crochet. So 16 stitches. Now skip next 2 double crochet and row number 3 is done. Now in row number 4, turn your work, skip first stitch, top of next stitch, make 1 slip stitch, chain 2, then work in next 12 stitches and top of that make 1 double crochet. So total 12 double crochets. Double crochet. Now skip next 2 stitches and row number 4 is done. Now in row number 5, skip first stitch, top of next stitch, make 1 slip stitch, chain 2, then work in next 8 stitches and make 1 double crochet. So 8 double crochet. Now skip last 2 double crochet stitches. So we made total 5 rows and now we have 8 stitches. Now we are going to make 1 single crochets to this edges. Try to find the space in between these stitches and make 1 single crochet. So I made 1 single crochet to this side. Now we come to this top. So here you can see this is stitches. On that stitches we are going to make 1 single crochet. So we made the 1 single crochet at the top. Now we are going to make 1 single crochets and work till this end. So I made 1 single crochet to this end. Now work in next 4 stitches and make 1 single crochet. So after 4 single crochet, next stitch make 1 single crochet, then make chain 2, then on second chain take your hook and make 1 single crochet. Now here take your hook and make 1 slip stitch. So we made this point. Now in next 4 stitches make 1 single crochet. Now just pull this thread and cut with some margin. So we made the body for the acorn. Now here and on top we have made this single crochet stitches. So here we are going to attach the thread. So take your hook on the very first single crochet or count exactly 24 stitches and attach the thread. So take your second colored thread. Now here we are going to attach this thread. Make chain 3. This is our first double crochet. Now in next 23 stitches make 1 double crochet. So 24 double crochet stitches. Now turn your work, skip first stitch, next stitch, top of next stitch, make 1 slip stitch. work in next 20 stitches, and top of that make one double crochet. Twenty double crochets. Now turn your work, skip first stitch, top of next stitch, make one slip stitch, chain 2, work in next 16 stitches and make one double crochet. Double crochets. Now turn your work, skip first stitch, top of next stitch, make one slip stitch, work in next 12 stitches and top of that make one double crochet. So 12 double crochets. Now turn your work. Now skip first stitch, top of next stitch, make one slip stitch, then work in next 8 stitches and top of that make one double crochet. So 8 double crochets. Now again we are going to make the border to this end, so try to find these spaces in between these stitches and make one single crochet. Now just pull this thread and cut with some margin and secure the thread. So we made the border to this end. Now we are going to make the border to the other end. So attach the thread here. Now make one single crochets. Again try to find these spaces in between these stitches. So now we come to this top. So in next 4 stitches make one single crochet. Now make chain 4, skip first chain and in next 3 chain stitches make one single crochet. Then take your hook in this V stitch here and make a slip stitch. Then in next 4 stitches make one single crochet. So this acorn coaster is done. If you want you can decorate this coaster with this oak leaf. So I have given a detailed tutorial on this leaf. You can make this leaf and just stitch this to this stamp. So it's up to you how you want to use this coaster. So I hope you have learned from this video. If you have any questions or query, please do let me know in comment section. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.